Okay, a quick unboxing video today. So before Christmas, I think it was October time, I ordered a Pi5 from Pi with the extension kit and asked for it as a Christmas present. That was £96.50, and I forgot I'd ordered this debug probe for the Pico and other sorts of things like that. So the total was 132. It was a pre-order. So what do we get in the box? There's a debug probe. Okay, I'm going to look into that. There are some people that say that it's kind of tricky to set up. You have to be careful what cable to use, but you know, not very good documentation, but we'll give it a go. And then this appears to be the Pi5. Hang on, just pause a second. Yeah, so what's in here? Let's have a look. What does it say on the box? Hang on, it's upside down. I can't read that. Package by Pi5. Okay, so that was Sheffield. Nice little picture. Looks like it says it's got a 1 meter HDMI cable, a little card, a power supply and a box with a fan. So pause a second. I know that some people were saying that Explaining Computers has got his Stanley knife or whatever, and they were complaining that he was being gender specific. In this wonderful garage of mine, I have chaos, so a saw will do. Give us the hand. Oh, that's a nice little box. Okay, so there's an adapter card. Is there anything in it? Yeah, there is. Let's get it open like that. Put this down here. I can't get it out. Problem of having one hand to use. There we are. What is that? 32 gig. Well, that will probably be used for something else, and I'll use a 128. I think they're saying that USB works better than these. There's a basic baby HDMI cable. I've got some better ones than that, but that's okay. That's tiny. I mean, just for full disclosure, there's one of my Pi4s. The others are in the front room acting as a Plex server. That looks smaller than I remember, but maybe Pis are that small. Big power supply, 27 watts, but already that's a good thing, because Plex isn't quite fast enough on a Pi4, and my aim is to find out if it's good enough on a Pi5. But I got an old Intel machine that's using 65 watts, which is still not bad for an Intel. And there's a little case. So we'll just pause and see what's inside these things. Hang on. So what's inside the case? No, nothing wants to come out. It's a good thing, I suppose. Didn't get damaged in transit. Okay, so it's a fairly standard case. Apparently this will accept the... Oh, there's the fan. Jeff Gerling got a lot of hate about being a Pi supporter regardless. I think it's a bit unfair. I like the Argon case. You see, I got one there, but in one review I had earlier, the fan busted in it. They're not standard, and the company won't sell you the spare ones. They won't even reply to your customer support question, so I didn't like it for that. It blocked the Wi-Fi. Now I'm running wired in here. Sorry, from up there. So I've got a wireless going into repeater and then wired, so I don't care at that point. There's a little instruction manual here and something else in that. Also a little feet by the looks of it. Card and then a power supply. What's in the debug probe out of interest? Cables included. Well, I better not lose them in this wonderful garage of mine. Everyone's got to have a space where they can escape, and if you don't have one, find a friend that does, or join a club. What does that say? 3 types of debugging included: 3-pin to 3-pin, 3-pin to 0.1 inch jumper male, 3-pin to 0.1 inch jumper. Oh, so it's DuPont type connectors. So you got transfer, receive, ground. Fair enough. It's just a sort of standard beep 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 beep. Oh, it's tiny. Makes sense. It looks bigger in the pictures. That's what she said. Anyway. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna have a bit of fun with that. But yeah, that's what I would be playing with. I want to get back to my zoom pedal fun. I tried to use it on here, and this one seems to have gone crazy after an update. So I think I'll start again on here, re-image this. I need to be a bit smarter about the way I do the Pi4, because I have a SATA in there, and when you copy the OS onto there, if things screw up, it's really hard. You have to keep backing your files up. I should just create a partition for the boot and do it that way, then hopefully it won't destroy the other partitions, but I haven't tested that, or maybe just DD an image onto it. Okay, thanks for watching and have fun.